What's up everybody, welcome back to the Art of Crypto, the birthplace of absolutely legendary gains. Now before we get into the Enjin price prediction, I just wanted to let you know that a day ago during the flash crash, I said that if we formed a double bottom under 1 hour, we would get a very nice bounce, and look what happened. Most coins got a 15 to 20% bounce. And right now on my Twitter, I am calling for a double bottom formation on the 4 hourly. So if you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto trading setups, I want you to follow me on Twitter at _the art of crypto. Got it? Now let's begin the video. So right off the bat, we are at the moment going through another little flash crash, but I wouldn't call this a flash crash simply because there's no reason to panic, because how much lower will we go? If you simply take a look at market Cipher, you can see that on the 4 hourly, the RSI is getting to oversold territories. And in fact, right now we might be on the verge of forming a trigger wave, but nothing's confirmed until it is confirmed. Until we get the double bottom at this level right here, we are not in a confirmed uptrend yet. And we must assume that the downtrend will continue because we do not trade against the trend. And if we zoom into the 1 hourly chart, we can see that in fact the momentum is starting to shift upwards. But due to some market manipulation right now, and by market manipulation, I mean this, on market Cipher, the yellow X's are an indicator of market manipulation, and usually whenever you see a yellow X, the price tends to tank immediately afterwards. For example, right here, see yellow X, dump. And for the record, I did buy this level right here. And it seems that we are about to form another double bottom on the 1 minute. Momentum is shifting upwards. I'd say we're looking good. See, yellow X right here, boom, yellow X, boom, yellow X, boom. This is the greatest indicator of all time, my friend. If you're not using it, you don't know what you're missing out. So anyways, back to the topic. Right now, I'm looking for a double bottom formation on this level right here at 2.2. If we do get that, that means that the trend is changing for the better. In fact, if we do get a bounce from this level right here, every single time frame from the 1 minute to the 4 hourly will show positive momentum change. For example, on the 2 hour, if we clip right here and form a trigger wave, that is clear momentum shifting. On the 4 hourly, same thing. If we clip here, that is an upwards momentum change. But you know, over at this channel, we like to think like grand strategists. We like to take into account everything that might happen and not just be overly optimistic and have a biased state of mind. So here are the possibilities. On the 4 hourly, we might not form a trigger wave, but we might form a deeper anchor wave. Is that a possibility? Yes, of course. So until we get a double bottom confirmed on the 4 hourly, I would not enter any trades on any altcoins at the moment. Now, another thing that you must look out for is this purple line right here on the 4 hourly chart. That is a 200 exponential moving average, and it tends to act as pretty good dynamic support and resistance during a trend. Look here, see? The price came down to test it and immediately had a beautiful 100% bounce. You tend to see this often in any altcoin. If you want to see an example, head over to Audio USDT. In fact, I will just come over to Audio right now. I will remove all my drawings. See, when the price strayed too far away from the 200 EMA, you would expect that the price would continue to fall to oblivion. But look what happened. It hits the 200 EMA, immediately has a bounce of 19%. Over here, once more, we form a double bottom and boom, 40%. In fact, I actually called this to my group, and the people who took this trade were in massive profits. So back to Enjin coin. Here is the other possibility that I am looking out for with regards to the 200 EMA. Now, as I said before, the 200 EMA tends to act as very good dynamic support and resistance, which means that if this breaks, right now this has broken below the 200 EMA, and if it comes up to retest it and fails and gets rejected by the 200 EMA, oh my. I believe then the whole market will be entering into a 1 to 3 week, maybe a month period of correction. And there is no reason to assume that this will not happen because the market has been overly optimistic for the last month or so. In fact, again, I called this on my Twitter, so follow me if you want to get the most up-to-date information on crypto trading. So right now, what am I looking for? On the 4 hourly, for the bulls, I will be looking for a double bottom formation at this level right here. And for the bears, I want to give you guys a bearish scenario as well. So I will immediately look for this 200 EMA to act as immediate resistance And if the price gets rejected by the 200 EMA, you could just head over to the lower time frames. Once this happens, go into the lower time frames and see what's happening at this 2.55 level. If you see the price getting hard rejection on the lower time frames, such as the 15-minute, such as the 35-minute, then look for the 2.4 level to hold as support. If it doesn't, then look for this level once more and we might form a triple bottom. But whatever the case, if this forms a double bottom and it comes back down to break this level right here, then I want you to get out of the trade immediately, because that means that we have formed officially a lower low and a lower high. But I don't want to sound overly negative right here, because market cipher is looking good. Momentum is shifting to the upside. See, right now, even though this wave is deeper than this wave right here, as long as it is shallower than this wave right here, it is still considered a trigger wave, which means momentum should be going up. So for all of you that are looking to get into trades on any altcoin, because any altcoin would look something similar to this pattern right here. If you're looking to get into a trade on any altcoin, I want you to wait, alright? He will win who knows when to fight and when not to fight. You want to get confirmation first, because in any trend, if it's in a downtrend, you expect more downside until otherwise proven so. And in an uptrend, you expect more upside until otherwise proven so. Who knows? I'm not saying it will happen, but this could be just the beginning of a correction. But if we do get a double bottom here, that would be absolutely golden entry. Right now, if you're enjoying the video so far, I would love it if you could pump the like button to the moon. It's a small gesture, but it really helps a lot. Now, just to leave you guys off with another thing, you want to look for support resistance lines. Draw the major levels of support and resistance on the chart by yourself. And what I mean by these lines is areas where price tended to react to a lot. So for example, on this line right here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rejections off of this level right here. So this is a really good support. Same thing for here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here, price got rejected like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the point. These are the immediate levels of support that you want to look out for. If the price really does break below here, look for support here. Perhaps dollar cost average in on all of these levels, right? This is what support resistance is for. Over here, you could draw another one. Perhaps over here, another one. So what you do is, nobody knows where the exact bottom on any chart is. So what we do is we dollar cost average. We do not go in with one lump sum. So if you're looking to get into Enjin, I would dollar cost average in at these levels right here. And in the long term, remember, in a bull market, everything comes up with time. Be it 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, everything will come up. So here's another thing I want you to know. At the moment, we are in a market. And in a market, we are trying to take other people's money. So doesn't it make sense that you have to be better than other people if you want to take their money? So what I want you to do is, I want you to go watch my Learn to Trade Crypto videos. Invest in yourself so that you know what you're doing, so that you can take other people's money. And with that, my friend, may the gains be with you. Peace.